Hey everyone, I'm Ariel, and welcome to my channel, Fashionette Ari. Today, while we sew together, I want to talk about something with you, and that's the benefits of sewing. I've been sewing for 15 plus years, and I knew at a young age, 9 to be exact, that I wanted to be a fashion designer. I never even realized how much it would change my life in such a major way. I was a super quiet kid, and fashion was a way of expressing myself. I found so much beauty in fabrics, and the art of clothes being sewn together was so amazing to me. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just thinking about picking up a needle and thread, you'll love hearing how sewing can enrich your life. Let's start with creativity. Sewing gives you the chance to turn your imagination into something real. I spent so much time as a kid daydreaming and sketching new dresses for my Barbies, and now I can bring them to life. Whether it's a custom dress or even a simple tote bag, every project is an opportunity to express yourself, your style, and personality. And let's face it, there's nothing like wearing something you've made, someone asking where you got it, and you can respond with, "I actually made this." And that's why I started my brand in 2015. I just wanted to curate these amazing pieces for women to feel feminine and comfortable at the same time. And not just for women, I've had men and others wear my stuff as well, so it's all inclusive. Sewing isn't just creative, it's also practical. Imagine being able to mend your favorite jeans, tailor a thrifted jacket to fit perfectly, or even save money by making gifts instead of buying them. Sewing gives you skills that are not only useful but also sustainable, reducing waste and promoting a more mindful way of living. Another amazing benefit, the sense of accomplishment. Every stitch brings you closer to a finished project, and each project teaches you something new. It's a journey of constant growth, and honestly, there's no better confidence boost than rocking something you made with your own two hands. Do it. Sewing is also so great for your mental health. The rhythm of the machine, the focus on details, and even the tactical feeling of fabric can be so soothing. It's a chance to unplug from the chaos of your life, even from motherhood, and just be in the moment. That's why I often feel sewing is my therapy. Believe me, when I first started, I was nowhere near where I am now. Sewing journeys are so fun, and you gotta start somewhere. So why don't you start today? So, whether you're sewing for fun, function, or fashion, remember that this craft is so much more than stitches and seams. It's a way to express yourself, take care of yourself, connect with others, and also bring your dream clothes to reality. And let's not forget the community. Sewing connects you to a world of people who share your passion. From local sewing groups to online communities, and even on here, my YouTube friends. It's amazing how this craft can bring people together. I've met so many amazing people along my sew journey, from photographers, stylists, other designers. It has made this quite the experience. And there you have it. This item is ready for my customer to enjoy. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this video inspires you to pick up a needle and thread and experience the magic of sewing for yourself. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more sewing stories and projects. Until next time, you guys, bye!